Good day, traders. It's Friday, January 5th, 2020, number 4. Okay, we're looking at NASDAQ, 5-minute. See up here, 5-minute. Yeah, there you go. There is no, and I'll repeat, no divergence down here. Yeah, crazy shit. Anyway, and this does not qualify. It's too far from the 5 because it went up so fast. Oh, here we go with the mucus. Sorry. Okay, that was a fun hackatoo. Hack. Holy sheep shit, my freak. Oh, blood's going up to my head. Well, that's good. Maybe that's good there. It's, flushing the blood up into my head and back down again into my heart. Maybe that'll break up those fucking blood clots from the clot shot. Motherfucker. Anyway, there's no divergence down here, ladies and gentlemen. There's none whatsoever. And you shouldn't be trading this anyway because it's the NFP, non-farm, let's fry up some chicken eggs, payroll. Anyway, shouldn't be trading here. Like I said, maybe on a 1-minute or a 30-second chart, maybe you could find something. But definitely not on a 5-minute, okay? And then we had a lower close too far from the 5. Even though up it goes, is not a valid trade setup. And again, over here, this nice retracement candle, there is no lower close, up it goes here. The only trade we had on this whole run up, according to the trades that I do, anyway, maybe there's some other setup other people do, but it's right there. Lower close, right in, close below the 5, buy it, up it goes. But that was the news that made that happen, eh? Yeah, shot up 67 points in 5 minutes. Oh, actually, no, there's another trade right here. Let me show you. Oh, it's good to get that mucus out. Oh my God, that was awful. Just sticking to your vocal cords. Okay, so right there, lower close, right into the 5, closed on the 5, buy it, up it goes. Went up 44 points, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so, there's the 2 trades for the NASDAQ today on non-farm payroll day. Let's now look at the US 500, which is the S and the P. See? Went down too far too fast. See? This needs to be more shallow than the left side. It's not. It's the opposite. So there's no trade there to buy. There's no divergence. Sorry to say, but there isn't. And this lower close, up it goes, and this lower close, both of them, just like the pound dollar, they don't qualify. And then they're at the exact same time because they're running algorithms. This market is not random. And I know that from not just learning, hearing about it from ICT. I knew about this long freaking time ago. Like, I'm talking, I think it was 2007 when I really started to think about everything and go, oh my God, this is not random. This is an algorithm running the show here. And that's exactly what it's doing. So anyway, like I told you, you have no idea how many 100, 102, 105, 112 pips moves I've seen since 2007 when I started to figure out, and how they had the euro and the US dollar clicking together in an opposite. Like, I had 2 charts on my screen looking at a 1-minute chart and I could see it. US dollar goes up 2 pips, and then the euro would go down. It's either 1 or 3 pips. You see what I'm trying to say? They have them linked together. Why? Because they're the two main currencies traded in the world, the euro and the US dollar. And they're very important currencies because the euro represents, you can say, this side of the world, and the euro represents the old, what do they call that? The old, I don't know. When all the people started populating on the planet, they didn't start in America. They started in Europe. Long time ago, like thousands of years ago, as you know. So that's all tied into this whole thing. That's why that does what it does. But anyway, so we had one trade right here, same exact time. And then there's the news spike. Okay, lower close, buy it, up it goes. Okay. Yeah, some more up here. I guess we could put one in. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. You could do little scalps, man. There'd be 1, 2. Here, I'll put them on. Look, look, look. You make the chart as big as it can be. Golly gee, right? Buy it, up it goes. Buy it, up it goes. You could even do this last one right here, too. Buy it, up it goes. There's 4 of them. You would have made money on all those. That's in the 5-minute. Okay. I didn't trade none of this. I did a little trade, but not on this. And it gave me some nice profit, and then it just went back up to 0. I closed it at break even. I said, fuck this. And sure enough, I'm looking at it right now. It's... I'll show you. I'll show you in a sec there where I got in and what I was trading. Okay, so that's it for the S and the P. Let's see what the Dow did. Yeah, same kind of shit. Went down too far too fast, wasn't divergent. See? All these 3 indices, the NASDAQ, the S and the P, and the Dow, all 3 of them were running on the same algorithm today. Yes. Because all 3 charts, they look similar, just different price ranges because they're different instruments. Excuse me. More mucus. And I was talking loud there. Holy sheep shit. Okay. The trade was, I guess, right here. I don't know. You know, this one, see, it jumped up. It gapped up from the other candle just before it and did a gap. Here's one here. And that's about it. So we had a lower close, buy it, up it goes. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Okay, let's move on now to the pound dollar. Same shit. There's no trade to buy it up here. Damn mucus. I'm sorry, man. I really do apologize. It's just something that I tend to blame it on from smoking cigarettes and that wacky tobacco stuff. I used to smoke that too. Smoked more oil, you know, hash oil, grass oil, you know, than anything. Because where I come from originally, up in northern Ontario, well, I used to call it the oil capital of Canada because we had a lot of oil coming into that one little particular city. I'm not going to name the name of it. We had a lot of oil coming in there from Jamaica, man. Yeah, man. And I smoked pounds of that oil, and now I'm fucking paying for it. As you can see, every day I hack up this stuff. Actually, when I quit smoking cigarettes, for 5 years, I am not kidding you, for 5 years, I hacked up brown chunks of tar from nicotine, from tobacco. For 5 years after I quit smoking cigarettes, I quit about 20, what year was it? It was like 1999. Yeah, it was like 25 years ago. It's been a long time since I quit smoking the cigarettes. Oh, and the wacky weed oil, I quit smoking that when I was 21. So long, like 40 years ago now, almost 38 years ago. But look how long it sticks with you. For freaking decades, man. Decades. Don't smoke, man. Don't drink booze. Don't smoke. It's not good for you. It is not good for you. You should see all the chemicals they put in cigarettes. Oh my God. It's just, you swear they're trying to kill us. They want to sell us the goddamn shit first and then, make all the profit and the taxes from it. Yeah. And then they kill us. Yeah. Okay, what am I looking at in the freaking pound? I'm looking for a trade and I don't see it. Well, look what we have here. We have a hookup, man. Did you hook up with that chick, man? Yeah. We have a hookup right here. Buy it or buy it here. Yeah, you buy it here. So you'd buy it right here, and it went up like 18 pips. Then we had a lower close near the 5. Buy it. Right there. And up it goes. Here's another little one right here. Just see the little one? The same as the other charts. Same shit. Same shit. Shit. What am I looking for? Thumbs up. Sorry, my mind took a brain fart there just now. There you go. Lower close on the 5. Buy it, up it goes. Okay? Let's move on now to the Euro USD. It's the same shit. See how I'm marking the same shit up on every flipping chart? Come on. It's not random. It's an algorithm. Check it out, man. Same 3 freaking 4. This is the 5th one now. The 3 indices and the pound dollar and now the euro dollar. They all look fucking the same, just different ranges. So, I'm not going to mark this up because I already done it 4 times. You know what I mean? Just go look at, rewind the video and you can see it again. Okay, here's the pound yen. It did have divergence. High and higher high. Oh, actually there was divergence down here too. Right here, low, retracement, and lower low. Right there. This is non-farm payroll. Would you be willing to jump in here somewhere on the way up? Because it went up 74 pips. Pound yen on the non-farm payroll spike. So anyway, I traded this trade. I got in like right here. It gave me some profit. I wanted it to go through here. But did it go through there? No, of course not. And yeah, I was short. So right now I'd be at break even if I was still in the fucking thing. But anyway, it put me through all this and I got out right there. Well, I had a couple positions on. One from here and one from here. Anyway, I got out break even. So that's like a lesson. It's like, don't fucking trade non-farm payroll. Don't. It's not worth it. It's just, well, it can be worth it for some, I guess. It wasn't worth it for me today. Okay. And what's this now? We're looking at the Euro yen. See, it doesn't have that same kind of divergence, but it does have divergence. Let me show you right there. Double top. Well, high and higher high. I guess it shows the high and higher high. You motherfucker. Okay, see? Lines up there. Lines up there. Your entry would have been right on the opening of this candle. And look, It went down 80 freaking pips, man. 80 pips. EJ. Did even the pound yen go down 80 pips? 75. Yeah, whatever. Okay, let's look at gold. What did gold give us? Oh, yeah, same thing. Look, the big swoop down and then the grind up. Look at that shit. Look at that shit, man. It's same shit. Different instrument. Same shit. Jesus. Okay. So, right here, lower close, buy it, up it goes. And then we had lower close. No, that one closed below. No, that's the wrong one. This is a hookup right here. So you would have bought it right here, and up it goes. 188 points on gold. Okay? Yeah. And then for the last one of today, oil. Oh, up, down, up, down, up. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. I'm just thinking about it. Right here. Question is, would you wait all the way up here to jump in, or would you jump in just above this? If it was me, I'd be waiting like, hold on, that's 10 to 9 right there. This is oil. Oil opens up at 9 o'clock, so 10 minutes before the open, it's spiked up. That oil does that a lot. I've seen it many times. Do the move before the fucker opens. Yeah, and well, I guess they're kind of giving a hint, eh? They're saying, buy, buy. Look at this big blue candle. Buy, buy, right? So anyway, if you did buy way the fook up here, it went up 46 points, and the stop was 57 pips. Oh, look, we have another trade right here. La-dee-da. We have a high and a higher high. We don't need to make that big. What am I doing? And we have the lower high on the indicator of choice, and we would have got short right on the opening of this blue candle. 56 pip stop. No, it only went 38. And if you didn't take it, see how this one short chain, it should have went under here, but they didn't do it. They got everybody thinking it was, but no. And then they bought right off $73 per barrel. And that's what happened there. So anyway, yeah, I already showed you that. I was thinking about my trade, the pound yen. So anyway, I want to thank all of you today for watching my video and listening, because you could mute it. You can watch it, but mute it and not listen. Okay. That's why I say thank you for watching and listening. Those are two key factors with the videos. And if you subscribe lately, I want to thank you very much. And if you could please hit the like button, it would really help me out here. Yeah. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen, for today. Have a good afternoon. You can still trade this afternoon from like 1 o'clock till 3. You can find some trades in there if you want to. And don't forget to, set your timers and get up out of your chair and go for a walk and stretch and move and keep yourself moving, man. The key to why people get sick is because they don't move. Without movement, your organs cannot, I'm like swinging my arms right now as I'm saying this. Your organs need for you to move, whether you're moving your arms up and down, moving your legs, bending over, touching your toes, whatever. Your organs need movement. You move them, you get the organs moving too, same time. And also to keep your Discipline up. Go for a walk today. Get out there. Once you finish trading today, if you're going to trade this afternoon, go out for a walk for 20 minutes. I'm telling you. At first, you don't want to do it. You just go, fuck that. I ain't doing that. But then after you do it 2 or 3 times, I'm telling you, man, you feel like $1 billion. All right. Have a good weekend. We'll see you Monday. Good luck and good trading.